The one I'm going to be reading today is called When Violence Begets Peace. It was published in Hindustan Times on the 20th of April, 2004. So this is what they wrote. Arg. Tommy swung the big bruiser by the arm and twirled him around. Ah, the large man bellowed as he lost his balance and crashed against the corner of a shelf sticking out from the wall. The blow on Tommy's left ear from Edelman's iron sap was still ringing like a bell in his head, but the fat fellow had lost out, hitting his head on the sharp metal plank. Accounts like this are played out daily in comic books, novels, films, and bars around the world. Fight is attractive, and circa 3102 BC in Kurukshetra, India, at the onset of one of history's greatest wars, a spiritual dialogue between two friends occurred at the center of the vast array of opposing forces. The speakers between two armies bent on total destruction. The discussion included a principle of peace that would hold fast for thousands of years. Sports, films, and everyday conflicts express our proclivity toward the need to fight in some form or other. At the start of the 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, the name given to this timeless discourse, Krishna speaks of a samshayam, or doubtlessness. He explains how to deal with intense moral struggles. He tells Arjuna how to face difficulty in a spiritually intelligent manner. Reading about the Kurukshetra war satisfies a need to experience violence. The battle between good and bad is a story common enough. Yet the Gita exercises the deepest principles of right versus wrong. It sheds practical light on how to act and illustrates how devotion to God is a lifelong conversation. And it offers the kind of peace that makes violence dull.